Okay, now first of all, we will do what operation on heap. We will discuss the operation on heap, operation of insertion. Because until we are creating a heap by inserting node into it, then how can we do the delete or replacement operation? So at least one node will be there in the heap to do the replacement or delete operation. That means at least one node will be inserted before doing the delete or replacement operation. But if we want to do the replacement or delete operation before any, without inserting any node, then that erroneous message will be generated that the heap cannot be deleted because it is empty. Okay. So first operation we are going to discuss is that how to insert a node into a heap. So for this, what we will do, so we will open the editor, program editor, and we will actually for insertion we will phone a function which is insert, and that function body will be written so that at any time we can insert any node to a heap until the heap is not full. Only this criteria need to be satisfied for insertion operation to be done successfully. So, suppose we have array size, we are maintaining the heap or representing the heap as an one-dimensional array, and initially we are taking of a particular specific array size and suppose array size is 10 and we have inserted only 4 nodes, or we are inserting 4 nodes into that heap, then array will contain only 4 nodes. Remaining 6 nodes will not be that will be vacant, and so there we will keep only the noun character to specify that nodes are empty. So that's a node that's an empty only. So in this way, the array one-dimensional array will be represented. If there is a valid node, then that value will be there into as a particular array element. If no value is there, then there will be a null character into that array as that array element. Okay. Intro then cd searching. Now I'm going to the editor where I can write the program, write the code. Okay, I can write the code. Now gedit or heap operation. Heap operation is the program name which I am giving. So initially, I will do the comment that the program implements three operations, implements three operations such as insert, delete, and modification or replacement, which implements three operations into a heap, onto a heap, increments onto a heap. So include stdio.h header file. Now I will define here the constant, the size of the array, which I have taken 11. Then I will declare array size. We are not initializing any value, but within program I will initialize the non-character for all the array index starting from 1 to 10, but 0th index as result, 0th array element will be 1000. It's not any heap number that is included into it, it is result. Okay, zeroth index is result. But we will use only the index from index 1 to 10. We will use those index from 1 to 10 to store the elements of a heap. Okay, now the main function will be written. Initially, we will do the insertion operation. So for that, we will call a function insert, which will do the insertion operation. Okay, which will do the incursion operation. So here the insertion function void insert need to be declared first. So now we are defining the body of the function void insert. Okay. Next. So first of all, the number I want to check the array size. Now within main function, what I will do, the zeroth and index of the array will be reserved, which is 1000, and the other positions of the array will be filled with null character. So to indicate every index of the array, and using a variable integer I, then for I equals to 0, then I is less than array size I plus plus. We are just filling the array elements. Array I equals to with null character, which is represented by this. This is a null character. So after this operation, except zeroth element, all other elements have value none. So here also another function I will use, which will print the array. So the function name is void print array, which will print the array starting from index 1 to 10, which is for array size 11 that has 10 bits, so this array will be 10. So I am writing void print array function here to access each position of the array. I'm using a variable I. I'm using an integer variable I. Now I am writing before painting. I'm just using a printf statement, which so that all the elements will be seen and properly. /line /minus next line /minus next line /10, so that the output will be dispatched in a proper manner. That's why I have written that. Now for I equals to 0, to print each of the element of the array, I'm using a for loop. I less than array size I plus plus, and here I am printing each element of the array. Printf %d, printf %d, then array I. After printing the array, again I am giving a gap of 2 lines here, so that the output will be displayed nicely. Stop. This is 2 functions. Now we want to write the function insert, void insert, but in clear. Here printed %d array only when if there is no null character, then only the array value will be displayed. So instead of writing only printf percentage t, I need to check if it contains any null value, then don't print. Otherwise, print the value. If array I is not equals to null character, then only print the array. And if it prints any null characters, that means from that position to onward, all are the null characters. So in that case, I will come out from the for loop, because after that no other values are there on element. All of the index value will have the null character, so there is no need to go further. So I will come out from the for loop. Suppose the array size is 10 and I have only the array elements up to fourth element. Now from 5 to 10 on will be null character. So once I give the null character, then we don't have to go to next element, because all next elements after that will be null. So if it encounters that array I if not equals to array I is not equals to null, then you print that element. Otherwise you just come out from that loop, because there is no point to print the null character. So that is the function. Okay, in next part we will discuss the insert, how to write the insert operation, code for insert operation. Okay.